Here in this class, we are discussing about a problem on design of analog Butterworth filter. Here, for the given specifications, design an analog Butterworth filter. 0.9 less than or equal, mod less than or equal, mod h of j omega less than or equal to 1. For 0 less than or equal, omega less than or equal 0.2 pi it is. Here mod and mod h of j omega less than or equal to 0.2 for 0.4 pi less than or equal omega less than or equal to pi. Here this is the given data. Here what are the steps to design the analog Butterworth low pass filter? Here magnitude response of analog Butterworth filter as shown in figure. Here the following are the steps to design the analog low pass filter. What is the first step? In the first step we are determining the order of the filter. It is for determining order of the filter, first of all from the given specifications, here we are designing the analog Butterworth filter. In this analog Butterworth filter, monotonic response in the pass band and in the stop band. Monotonic response in both the pass band and the stop band it is. Here from the given specifications, we are drawing the magnitude response of h of j omega it is. Here at a 0 frequency, magnitude of h of j omega is 1 it is. At 0 frequency, here at this frequency, magnitude of h of j omega is 1. Here similarly at a 0.25 frequency, here magnitude is what? 0.9 it is. Here the magnitude response is magnitude response is between 0.9 and 1 is for 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 0.2 pi it is. Here this indicates what? The response in the pass band it is. Here what is the pass band frequency? This is the pass band frequency. Here omega p is equal to 0.2 pi is the pass band frequency. At this pass band frequency, magnitude is 0.9 it is. Here which is equal to what? 1 by, from the idea of Butterworth filter. Here at a pass band frequency, magnitude is what? 1 by square root of 1 plus epsilon square. Here which is equal to 0.9 it is. Here similarly, magnitude of h of j omega is less than or equal to 0.2 for this frequency, means in the stop band it is. Here 0.4 pi to pi. Here at 0.4 pi, here magnitude is what? At 0.4 pi frequency, magnitude is 0.2 it is. Magnitude is 0.2 and h of j omega decreases monotonically with the increase of this frequency it is. With the increase of this frequency to pi it is. Okay. Here at this frequency is called as stop band frequency it is. What is the stop band frequency? 0.4 pi is the stop band frequency. At this frequency, magnitude is what? 1 by, from the idea of Butterworth filter. At this stop band frequency, magnitude is what? 1 by square root of 1 plus lambda square. Here which is equivalent to what? 0.2 it is. 0.2. Here we are in the step 1, we are calculating all those parameters it is. Here means 1 by square root of 1 plus epsilon square is equal to what? 0.9 it is. Here square root of 1 plus, from this square root of 1 plus epsilon square is equal to what? 1 by 0.9. Here 1 plus squaring on both sides of this equation. Here 1 plus epsilon square is equal to what? 1 by 0.9 square means 0.81 it is. Here from this we are determining epsilon square. Epsilon square means we are taking this 1 to this side. Here 1 by 0.81 minus 1. Here this 1 by 0.81 value is 1.234 pi it is. Epsilon square is equal to 1.234 pi minus 1, which is equal to, epsilon square is equal to 0.2345. Epsilon is equal to what? Epsilon is equal to square root of 0.2345 it is. Here its value is equal to what? 0.484. And similarly at a stop band frequency, magnitude is what? 1 by square root of 1 plus lambda square is equal to 0.2 it is. Here from this square root of 1 plus lambda square is equal to what? 1 by 0.2 it is. Here 1 plus lambda square, squaring on both sides of this equation it is. Here 1 plus lambda square is equal to what? 1 by 0.2 square. 1 by 0.2 square means 0.04. Its value is what? 25. Here from this we are determining the lambda square. We are taking this 1 to this side it is. Means 25 minus 1. Lambda square is equal to 25 minus 1. That is 24 it is. Here lambda, we are calculating lambda value. Lambda is equal to what? Square root of 24 it is. Here lambda is equal to 4.898 it is. Here, and I am writing the passband frequency. What is the passband frequency? Omega p. From the diagram, omega p is equal to what? 0.2 pi radian for seconds. Here stop band frequency is equal to what? Omega s is equal to 0.4 pi radian for seconds. In the first step we are determining what? Order of the filter. Here order of the filter we are calculating by using lambda, epsilon, omega p and omega s it is. What is the formula to determine order of the filter? By using Butterworth filter it is. Here n is greater than or equal to log of lambda by epsilon whole divided by log of omega s by omega p it is. Here we are substituting lambda, epsilon, omega s and omega p in this equation. Here n greater than or equal to log of 4.898 by 0.484 whole divided by log of 0.4 pi by 0.25 it is. Here which is equal to 3.34 it is. Actually n is an integer value, but this calculated value is 3.34. Here now we are rounding this value to the next integer value. In the next step we are rounding this value to the next integer. Here means n is equal to 4 it is. N is equal to 4. Here this is the second step. In the third step we are determining what? We are determining the transfer function of we are determining the transfer function of normalized Butterworth filter it is. Transfer function of normalized Butterworth filter. How we can determine normalized Butterworth filter transfer function? Means h of s we are determining. H of s we are determining it is. Here directly we are determining for the normalized cutoff frequency. Means omega c is equal to what? 1 radian for second it is. Here it is calculated by using the table. One table is there for different values of capital N. Here denominator polynomial of h of s. How we can calculate? Here by using table it is. This table we are using. Here this table we are using to determine denominator polynomial of h of s it is. Here this is for normalized cutoff frequency. Here this is the denominator polynomial of h of s for normalized cutoff frequency. Here we are determining the transfer function. H of s is equal to what? 1 by, here for the order is what? Here n is equal to 4 it is. Here for capital N is equal to 4. Here denominator polynomial of h of s is what? For capital N 4. Denominator polynomial of h of s is what? S square plus 0.7653 s plus 1 into s square plus 1.8477 s plus 1 it is. Okay. Here you have to use by the table. Otherwise we are determining it from the poles it is. First we are calculating the poles it is. Okay, how we can calculate the poles? By using this formula it is. First we are calculating the poles. Okay, to determine h of s. Actually observe this one, h of s. This is the h of s. Already I am showing it denominator polynomial of h of s for capital N is equal to 4 is what? For capital N is equal to 4. This one it is denominator polynomial. Here h of s is equal to what? 1 by transfer function of normalized Butterworth filter is what? H of s is equal to 1 by this one it is. From the table I am writing it is. Here and also we are determining this denominator polynomial of h of s for normalized cutoff frequency. Means omega c is equal to 1 radian per second. First of all For this, for obtaining this denominator polynomial of h of s, first we are calculating the poles of Butterworth filter. It is how we can calculate the poles of the Butterworth filter by using this formula. It is sk is equal to e power j pi k. K is equal to what? 1, 2 and so on, capital N it is. Here pi k, how to calculate the pi k? This pi k value pi by 2 plus 2k minus 1 into pi by 2 capital N. K is equal to 1 to capital N it is. Here for capital N is equal to 4 it is. Capital N is 4. Here means pi k is equal to what? 5 by 2 plus 2k minus 1 into pi by 2 into 4. K is equal to what? 1 to N means 1, 2, 3, 4 it is. First of all we are determining 5k. Here pi 1, k is equal to 1 means pi by 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Pi by 8. Here plus pi by 8. Here this value is equal to what? 5 pi by 8. Here for this k is equal to 1, we are calculating the poles S1. Here k is equal to 1 means S1. S1 is equal to what? E power j pi k. Pi 1. J pi 1. Pi 1 value is what? 5 pi by 8. Here its value is equal to minus 0.3827 plus j 0.9239 it is. Similarly, we are substituting k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. We are obtaining pi 2. Here pi 2 value is simply we are substituting k is equal to 2 in pi k. Okay, we get the pi 2 value it is, that is 7 pi by 8. Similarly, we are determining k is equal to 2 in sk, that is s2. S2 is equal to what? E power j pi 2 it is. Pi 2 value is what? 7 pi by 8 it is. E power j 7 pi by 8. It is equal to what? Minus 0.9239 plus j 0.3827. Here similarly we are determining the phi 3. Phi 3 is 9 pi by using this formula. These two formulas we are using. Pi 3 we are determining by using this formula. Similarly S3 we are determining by using this formula it is. Okay. Here phi 3 is equal to 9 pi by 8. S3 is equal to minus e power j 9 pi by 8 minus 0.9239 minus j 0.3827. Similarly, k is equal to 4 it is. K is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 means 5 4 is equal to pi by 2 plus k equal to 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 1. 7 pi by 8 it is. 7 pi by 8. Here which is equal to 11 pi by 8. We are k is equal to 4. We are determining sk. S4 is equal to what? E power j 5 power it is. 5 power value is what? 11 pi by 8, which is equal to what? Minus 0.3827 minus j 0.9239. Here now we are writing a normalized transfer function of Butterworth filter it is. Here 1 by, how to write it? 1 s minus s1 into poles form, single factors form it is. Here 4 poles are there, means 4 factors exist in the denominator polynomial of h of s. S minus s1 into s minus s2 into s minus s3 into s minus s4 it is. Here 1 by, here s minus s1, this one, minus 0.3827 plus j 0.9239 it is, into s minus s2. S minus s2 value is what? Minus 0.9239 plus j 0.3827 into s minus s3. S minus s3 value is what? Minus 0.9239 minus j 0.3827 into s minus s4. S minus s4 value is what? Minus 0.3827 minus j 0.9239 it is. Here we are multiplying this minus sign with these terms. Here s minus into minus plus. S plus 0.3827, s plus 0.3827 minus j 0.9239 it is. Similarly, one more term we are observing here. Here s plus 0.3827. Here that is I am considering a, minus into minus plus. Here minus, here plus term it is. Okay. Here means s plus 0.3827 I am considering it is a. Here j 0.9239 I am considering it is b it is. Here it is of the form a minus b and it is of the form a plus b form it is. A minus b into a plus b is equal to what? A square plus a square minus b square it is. Here a square is what? S plus 0.3827 whole square minus b. B value is what? J 0.239 whole square it is. Here similar form. Here these two also similar form it is. These two also similar form. S plus 0.9239 means it is of the form a plus b into a minus b it is. Here a is s plus 0.9239, b is this one it is, j 0.3827. Here a square minus b square form it is. Here we are simplifying this one. After simplification we get the h of s of the form it is. H of s is equal to what? 1 by s square plus 1.84776 s plus 1 into s square plus 0.76536 s plus 1 it is. Here this is the transfer function of normalized Butterworth filter. For the cutoff frequency, omega c is equal to what? 1 radian per second it is. 1 radian per second. Here we are determining it from the this transfer function of normalized Butterworth filter can be obtained from the table, otherwise from this method it is. Okay, you have to use this method. Okay, most of the cases we don't know, we are not going to remember those values it is. You have to use these formulas to calculate the denominator polynomial of h of s for the normalized cutoff frequency it is. Here this is the third step. In the fourth step we are calculating the cutoff frequency. Here how to calculate the cutoff frequency? Here we are calculating this cutoff frequency by using this formula. Here omega p by epsilon power 1 by n. Here actually the alpha p and alpha s is not given. Okay. Here actually how to determine cutoff frequency? Omega p by the 10 power of 0.1 alpha p minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n formula. Here this can be written as what? Omega p by epsilon. Here this value is epsilon it is. Here epsilon this value whole power 1 by 2 into 1 by n form it is. Here epsilon power 1 by n. This is equal to epsilon power 1 by n. And also we are calculating it by using stop band frequency. Here omega c is equal to what? Omega s by 10 power of 0.1 alpha s minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n, which is equal to what? Omega s by lambda power 1 by capital N. Actually alpha s and alpha p are not given in this problem. Here already we know the epsilon and lambda value. Here we are determining the cutoff frequency. Here cutoff frequency omega p and omega s also known it is. Okay, we are determining the cutoff frequency. How to determine the cutoff frequency? Already we are calculating epsilon and lambda value. Either you have to use this formula or you have to use this formula to calculate the cutoff frequency. Here I am using this formula to determine the cutoff frequency. It is omega p by epsilon power 1 by capital N it is, which is equal to omega p value is what? 0.25 by epsilon value is 0.484 whole power 1 by capital N. Capital N value already we are calculating. Capital N is 4 it is. Here cutoff frequency is equal to what? 0.24 pi radian per second it is. Radian per second. Here this is the In the fourth step, we are calculating the cutoff frequency. In the next step, we are determining what? H of S. For the above cutoff frequency. For this cutoff frequency, we are determining the H of S. Here, how to obtain H of S for this cutoff frequency? Simply by substituting S tends to S by omega C value in H of S. Okay, in H of S means we are substituting S by 0.24 pi in H of S in this normalized cutoff frequency, transfer function of normalized cutoff frequency. Here that is H of S is equal to 1 by of S by 0.24 pi whole square plus 0.76537 of S by, in place of S we are writing S by 0.24 pi. 0.76537 S by 0.24 pi plus 1 into S square means S value is what? S by 0.24 pi whole square plus 1.8477. S is what? S by 0.24 pi plus 1. And simplifying this equation, we get the equation like this. It is that this is the transfer function of analog Butterworth filter. It is analog Butterworth filter.